Home security. That includes security cameras. And we have here
Tapo?
what we have here is a wireless, totally wireless, solar-powered camera. And this is, it's called Tapo, but it's made by TP-Link, which if you've not heard of them, they are a big-time router maker. So we're going to unbox this baby. And I got this for a steal on Amazon. I'll show you guys the price.
You know him and his deals.
Yeah, I get some deals now. I'm just trying to see which ones
Maybe from the bottom.
we want to go with.
Be
There we
careful.
go. There's the solar panel. Right there.
Well, that's cute.
That is cute. You got some thingy-majiggers.
That's technical.
Technical. We're always classy here and technical. And then you've got your camera right there.
Does this have an app?
This definitely has an app.
Okay.
You got your quick start guide. You got your card for contact us. Set up videos. Stuff like that. Then you have your mount.
This is going in a spot in our yard that
Yeah,
we can't see.
Penny likes to hide in this one spot and we can't see what's going on there. There's the mount for it. Here is a cord if you want to extend where the solar panel is. Let's say you want to put it where it can get some sun and not mount it to this. It has that capability. And it actually has a plate that you can put over the solar panel thing. So that's really nice. All right, screws and another cord to charge it. So I think they actually sell these where you just charge them up. You take them off. They got some other models that you just charge them up. And it's actually got a mount on the bottom. It's got all kinds of, it's 1080p, live view. It goes to Wi-Fi. It's got color night vision.
Two-way audio, so
So-
we can yell at Penny.
Yes. So I got this specially for the, you can get one lower, but this has color night vision on it.
Weatherproof.
Let's see how that is. And it actually a smart person detector. So it'll detect people, pets, cars. It's got local storage on here. So the cameras we have now, they have to go through the internet. Well, some of them. Some of them are direct cameras that take video all the time. Our other ones that we have more of, they go to basically a cloud. And we wanted to get, this is going to have local storage, so if the power goes out or your Wi-Fi's out, it's going to store itself on here.
Nice.
So we're going to get some of these cameras. I don't know how many cameras we have now. It's a ton.
Yeah, we have a lot.
What, 12 cameras maybe already? We got cameras everywhere. We're watching you. Okay.
That wasn't creepy.
That wasn't creepy at all. Okay. So it's got a little spot in the back to put an SD card, a micro SD card. It's got a USB-C port. You know, there's the micro over there. See that? And here's the USB-C.
Now, do you have to have that memory card in there for it to record, or does it have its own internal storage?
No, you have to have an SD card,
Okay.
which will be its internal
So that's
storage.
how you would get your pictures and videos off of that card. You'd have to
And
take
it'll
it
also
out.
go to the cloud too if you want to do the cloud. Which if you do internal storage, you don't have to pay a fee.
Yeah.
That's another thing. We're trying not to pay all these extra fees that these people want us to pay. So we'll get this set up and we will show you what it looks like. All right?
Another camera.
Another camera. We got to take this one off and stick our SD micro in there. Be very careful, they're very small.
Yeah, I don't want to drop it out here.
Okay. Uh-oh. I got it. I have to check that because I feel like I'm pressing it back in. Then you got a USB-C here. See that? And that goes into here. And that will give you power. Just make sure you have light facing it. There's the camera. Can you see that? It's got a little mount on the bottom. Here's a little swivel mount. And I've already mounted this up here. So that's a wide enough angle. All right, that was easy. For the solar panel. I think I should have put that up there first. Because I'm not going to see. It looks like it's got a seal on it too. Yep. And this goes. Like that.
Well, that was easy enough.
That was easy enough. There's a button on the back I pushed. We're going to go inside. We're going to download the app. And we're going to get this thing working for you and show you how it looks on the screen. Okay.
Is it red?
It's red. We have went through all this process. And whenever you install the back thing, it says there needs to be an O-ring put in there. And I believe that's in here. There's a gasket right here that you got in the waterproof gasket. So we'll have to change that in a little bit. That's why you read the instructions. That's why we always read the instructions on this channel. First and foremost.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do. So can you get a good picture of this? Here's the instructions. Flip it.
And there's a fly flying around your head?
That's awesome. Love it. Love being outside. Okay, if you can see here, there's where you can scan for the app. It was so easy to download, install, sign in, super easy. So now let's see if it connects okay. So let's go start it first. I'm pretty sure you gotta power it on. Connect the camera, install power on the camera. Hold it for 3 seconds. Power's up on the top, I believe. 2, 3.
Yep, it went red.
Camera on.
Oh,
Camera on.
It spoke to us.
So I'm going to add the device. We've got to see what model we have.
Goodness.
I was hoping that it'd figure it out on itself. This is the tab. Can you please tell me what I got? C402. Thank you, Amanda, for finding that. Already red and green.
You've got a ladybug on you, some flies.
So hold the power down for 3 seconds to turn on your tap, which we did that. Wait about 30 seconds until the status.
Okay, it's going green and red.
Okay, that's what it says.
Yes.
Already red and green. Flipping it on. Okay, so do the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna turn away a little bit just in case. Okay, we are back.
To Wi-Fi.
It's connecting the Wi-Fi. I love that.
Wi-Fi connected.
And if you can hear that speaker, we can make that say stuff. Like I think we can record something and say, "Get out of here!" So this is gonna, you can put whatever you want it to be. And we're gonna put penny spot. Penny's spot. Does that sound good?
That's fine.
Because our dog loves to sit over here and we can't see her. We'll get to do a picture. Look, doghouse.
Oh, that's cute.
Complete. Sounds good. So this is the cloud service. Let's see if it tells you, it says unlimited too. Startup plan. Let's see how much it costs. How do I get out of here? Skip. It's hiding behind my thing. Auto update is enabled. Okay, got it. Bam! There we are. That's a wide angle. Let's see if we can get. That's perfect.
That's so weird to watch me watching you.
I think that's good there, don't you? Go down a little bit more. You don't need to look at the sky. I know that. That is
That's
such
good.
a wide angle. So next, don't put it on swaying trees.
Can you imagine what that would look like?
It's trying to tell me how to do everything. I've already did it. Okay, that's so cool.
The SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
So you gotta format the SD card.
I think we need to get out of the way. I'll simply move in front of the camera. There it is, flashing at us. Can you see it?
Yep. Does that mean it's catching movement?
Color night vision, AI, smart AI detection, power saving mode. Looks like that's it. New micro SD initialize, so we're gonna format it. That is totally Penny's spot. I think she's wore a spot.
Yeah, she was laying right here a second ago where it's like this area.
Ah, she loves it. Now I was freaking out about formatting. I just went into storage settings, into the settings, and it said storage. And it looks like it's going to format. The battery was already at 68%. It's supposed to last. It's supposed to just last forever. Like you never have to change a battery. Now that will depend on. You can see the little solar panel. You want to face those to the south, and this is south this way. We're going to have some leaves covering this, so I may turn it to the southeast a little bit to get that morning sunshine, and hopefully that'll help. But if not, I can move this solar panel over wherever I want. So if you have a spot that you don't think, you can get 50-foot extensions for the USB-Cs. So don't worry about you know, getting that done. We're at 90% now.
That's good to know.
Yeah, and I'm gonna add some other ones. I want to get some that's powered all the time, off of that go all the time. I've got some old ones that do that, and they're old. I don't know how many years old they are. It's been a while back. So format successful, so he'll stop yelling at us.
In his British accent.
I can't wait to see. That's 256 gigabyte, which it's only got 228 gigabyte on it. And it's got all kinds of settings on there. Person detected, motion detected. So we're gonna we'll mess with that. Motion detection on, person detection, pet detection, vehicle detection. Okay, so if you wanted to change that, you can do your sensitivity to 0. A detection zone, I don't know if you've ever had cameras before, but you can do different places. So if you have like this tree limb, making it, you can take this out of it. And if you want a certain area to be detected and not like cars in the background, you can do that too. Looks like we're good. And here's our camera. That's awesome. Really good view. You like my yellow shirt? Okay. That's so cool. Okay. Well, everybody, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Well,
It's a thing.
people will love that. You think?
Seeing that up there?
You don't like to see it up there?
They're not going to be able to even see back here.
No, I'm talking like from the channel.